Go on. Here we have class 37130 on the mail service 8H22 with of course the operating mail coach, but we haven't put the hooks in yet, so she's now coming down the back straight, full power.
Is that the EWS one?
Nah, sorry. And there we have it, the mail train. Yeah, that's all for now. If you're interested in how to repair one of these, watch Chris's video. It goes through the full extent of repairing the armature. I know it's weird. Just a note. Yeah, so if you'll watch that and you have one of these and it's completely kerfuffed, I should imagine it is, considering it's nearly 40 years old. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and look out for more videos in the future. I am planning on actually changing my YouTube account and having another account, so we'll see what the future brings when she comes to the stop. Just do a close up. This is obviously the mail van with the operating things, sleeper coach, and then a normal first class Mark IIF brake coach, and then 37130, and she's now been signalled green to go. Give her a wave goodbye. Woo! There she goes. Right, we have here today the mailbag collection demonstration. If you just give me a quickly open it. Right, as you know from the old previous set, this is actually a 70 set. Coach comes along here and hits this and picks up the bag. Flap comes out. Here we have the mailbags, kindly by my assistant just now got them out for me. There we are, the bag is on, and here we have our loco, class 900029 with a Mark IIF brake coach, Mark I sleeping coach, 2 LMS third class coaches, and the Royal Mail coach at the back. My assistant will accelerate the train and pick up the bag. So there we go, a bit more power. And as this will demonstrate, I'll pick up the bag and it's now gone. The train will then accelerate down the main line. Points are already set. Dump shed is over here. Just need to check we ain't got no more problems. Unfortunately the class 90 has this thing come off, but it has been doing that most of the day because it's stupid and incompetent. Just trying to put it on over there. You alright?
Yeah.
Good. Right, just going to accelerate through the tunnel, out the other side past the Kit Kat van, and hopefully we should drop our mail, shouldn't we? And I'm going to just listen for the big click. There we go, it's just now chucked it in, and I need to stop it, just let it go round one more. Train's just going to quickly go round without trying to derail, and obviously as you can see, just going to put that on the hook. There we go. Take it easy over the points.
And it's now stopped.
Oh yeah, it's my class 90 you're talking about there. It's just a bit of a lean on that corner. Go on, give it some juice. Here she comes again. This could be a last collection. Obviously because my battery's dying because it's stupid. Right, give her full power down the line. Not quite full. Don't put her on that. put it on half wave. There we go, you should see it disappear. And yes it does. Do you want to take the camera just to show us going into the dump thing? This has come off again, we are having this problem. We might do another video with the Class 37 doing it. But EWS have got the contract at the moment. We are having a bit of problems with it today. I think because it's on an older layout, the wheels have got very dirty and it's a brand new loco. So there we go. My assistant's now going to take over the camera. Hopefully she's showing you the dump bin. Down a little bit. There we go. And hopefully it's gone in.
There's the two in there.
Right, well thank you for watching and good night.